I'm Noreen and welcome to my kitchen and another edition of Torani Friday. This one is special for Valentine's Day. Today we're going to make this delicious cake mix fix cherry chip cake that is layered with cherry buttercream and chocolate ganache. We flavored up our cake mix with some chopped maraschino cherries, some Torani Grenadine syrup, and we also flavored our buttercream with the same grenadine syrup and a little almond extract. We topped everything off with a delicious and easy chocolate ganache that is going to make you say Happy Valentine's Day to the ones that you love. So I hope you'll stick around and come see how I made this amazing cherry chip chocolate ganache heart stack cake. We're going to get started going over all the ingredients for our cherry chip cake Torani style. We're going to start with a cake mix, which in my opinion is not a bad thing. This is a Duncan Hines French vanilla cake mix. You can also use a white cake mix if you like. This is a 16.5 ounce French vanilla cake mix that I have in the bowl. And I'm adding to that one 4-serving packet of instant vanilla pudding. Just add it right on in there, and I'm just going to go ahead and give this a blend real quick. You really don't have to do that, but it's my preference. So what we're going to do is, I am not following the instructions on the box. I am doing my own thing. This is how I usually make a box mix. A half a cup of oil. That is sunflower oil. Water. 4 eggs. And then for our flavorings, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. You can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla paste. And it's also not necessary, you don't have to add it, but I think it adds something to the blend. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of almond extract. Today, to make our cherry chip cake nice and pink, we're going to add, this is 1 shot or 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of Torani Grenadine syrup. Now, I will add, usually I use a cup of water. If I have adjusted this, so this was 3/4 of a cup of water and 1/4 of a cup of the Torani Grenadine syrup. That's going to give us a beautiful pink color and a little extra flavor. This is one 10-ounce jar of maraschino cherries that I've drained and I have cut up. So if you don't have the grenadine syrup, no worries. You can just use, you can sub out the juice from the maraschino cherries. We're going to go ahead and pop that in there. Now, so we're going to go ahead and blend this up. All right, our cake is all blended. Now, these are the Wilton Easy Layers cake pans, and I got these at Michael's. It comes in a set of 5. We're going to use 3 layers for our purposes today for this cake, but I'm going to use the other 2 layers in another video for Valentine's Day. And we're just going to fill these up 3/4 of the way. We're going to go ahead and bake these until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This should take about 12 to 15 minutes. These pans are kind of small. So, into the oven these go. And I'm just going to set it right next to it all by itself. It's the Outcast. Okay, we'll be back when these are ready to come out and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, these are ready to pull out, and because that other one was all by its lonesome, it cooked a little bit quicker because it wasn't on this extra pan. So these ended up baking for about 18 minutes, and they're done. And you can see my oven is super level, but it's alright. What we're going to do is let these cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, then we're going to remove them to a rack and let them cool completely. We'll be back when it's time to assemble our cake, and you're going to love it because it's going to not just be a cherry chip cake. We're going to put some cherry buttercream in here, and we're going to put a chocolate ganache all over the top, and it's going to be amazing. So I can't wait to share it with you. We'll be back when it's time to put this all together. All right, we've got everything ready to go to make this really beautiful Valentine heart-shaped stack cake with our cherry chip cakes. I have some buttercream here that I have flavored up with the grenadine syrup. I made buttercream last week and I had enough left over to fill this bag up. So what I did was I let it thaw. It was in the fridge. I let it come to room temperature and I hit it with the mixer. And I added 2 tablespoons of grenadine syrup and half a teaspoon or capful of almond extract. And I whipped it until it was a perfect consistency, and that's what we're going to fill our cake with. If you would like to know how I make a basic buttercream, I will leave a link in the information box down below so you can see how I make my basic buttercream. We're going to top this all off with a flood of chocolate ganache, and if you do not know how to make chocolate ganache, I will also leave another link down below where you can learn how to do this. Chocolate ganache is super simple, but it turns something ordinary into something amazing and elegant in an instant. So everybody should know how to make this. I've put my ganache, which is not completely cool, so it's nice and flowable, in a decorating bag, just like I put my buttercream. And now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to make this cake. Now, like I said, I'm only going to use 3 layers of this stack cake today. I got all of my cakes trimmed up. They don't have to be perfect, but you know what? I want them to look nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my buttercream and I'm just going to go around the outer edge here and I'm going to go toward the inside because I want this to be seen all around the edge. I want it to be really pretty. We're not going to frost the sides of this cake, so this is going to be kind of like the outer decoration. It's going to be really, really cool. Now I've snipped the tip on my chocolate ganache, and now what I'm going to do is in this void here, I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with chocolate ganache. Okay, all right, we're going to go ahead, put the next layer right there, give it a gentle nudge, and then we're going to repeat all the way around, and then we're going to fill in the center with more chocolate ganache. I'll be back when it's time to put the top on. Okay, now we've got our top on and done, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go around the inside here with a little star action. Now I have a 1M tip in here. It's a Wilton 1M tip, and I have everything in a disposable bag. You can use whatever you have on hand, and of course you could just frost this, you know. I am going to go ahead and fill the center here with chocolate ganache. And you don't have to do the stars if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and fill this up. It doesn't matter. Okay, but what I am going to do is I'm going to go over here because can you have too much chocolate? We're all ready to cut into this delicious mess and see what it looks like on the inside. I can't wait. I just know it's going to be awesome. This cake is actually inspired by a cake that my nanny made for me on my 22nd birthday. And I will never forget it, ever, ever, ever. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. That's a chocolate covered cherry lover's dream. No joke. Oh my goodness. Now it's going to set up even further. You can feel free to put it in the refrigerator, but you can look at the inside of this beautiful thing. All right. So Shall we have a taste?
We have to.
You have to. You do. I can already tell it's going to be moist, even without all that ganache in there. What do you think, babe?
It's delicious.
Oh, it is. Trust me, you only need a little paste. It's really, really sweet. Oh my gosh. That's so incredible. You're going to love this. The cherry flavor is super vibrant. It totally comes through. The chocolate is delicious. The cherry buttercream, amazing. Now, grenadine, just so you know, and maybe some of you do, grenadine is actually made from pomegranate, so it's not technically cherry, but you know when you get a Shirley Temple, they always put cherries in it. So this was an excellent opportunity for me to use the grenadine in a recipe and show you that Torani is for more than just drinks and coffee and tea. Torani can be used in place of extracts or in addition to flavor your baked goods. And I think it's fun to step out of the box sometimes and see exactly what we can do with it. So, I hope you enjoyed this heart stack cake that's full of cherry chip goodness and chocolate ganache. I hope that you give it a try. I hope that you will hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And if you are not already, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to come back and visit us to see what we do in our kitchen every single day. I hope that you give this a try, and I hope you love it. And I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Until next time, I'll see ya. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you liked what you watched today, and I hope that you try it, and I hope that you love it. If you liked what you saw, please consider hitting the thumbs up button and giving me a positive rating. And also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you're already not a subscriber so that you don't miss out on any of the fun we have here in our kitchen every single day. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm really glad that you're here. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to come by tomorrow. Until next time, happy eating!